Welcome back. Let's do the section of reaction rates, which is question number 5 on a normal question paper. It's 18 marks in this one. So let's check the first statement. Calcium carbonate in antacid tablets reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid according to the following balance equation. And then now the 5.1, they say you can see that the reaction is exothermic. So is the above reaction exothermic or endothermic? We'll be looking at delta H. Therefore is exothermic. That's the answer. The reason, give reason, we have to interpret this one. We can't say delta H is less than 0. We have to say delta H is negative. So they need the interpretation there. So 5.2. Now there's a statement, an antacid tablet of mass 2 grams is placed in HCl. After 30 seconds, the mass of the tablet was found to be 0.25 is reduced. Calculate the average rate in grams per second. So we are always guided by this one, because remember the rate, the average rate has got 4 possibilities. It's normally delta C, delta M, delta V, delta N, all divided by delta T. So because now they need grams per second, then it tells us that the average rate in this case will be delta M over delta T. So, and we are also, if the M is a reactant, normally we have been told by the diagnostic report to say you have to put the negative to compensate the negative, because as the mass is reduced, you find that the final is smaller than the initial. Therefore, the change will be negative. To compensate that negative, put negative in this formula. This will be 0.25 minus 2 divided by 30 seconds. Remember, there's no need to say 30 minus 0 because this is a time taken. Therefore, your answer can be 0.06. To write the units is optional. You don't have to, because it's already part of the question. So 5.3. There's a statement in front of that one as well. The statement in front of that 5.3. Remember also in this one of rate, just to take it through, if you can forget this negative, you find that now your rate, your rate will be negative now. You just have to ignore that. So if the learner said the rate is minus 0.06, then they must say therefore the average rate, because average rate can be negative, average rate will be 0.06. So they must make a conclusion there. So with the rate negative, then there should be a subtraction of minus 1 mark there. 5.3, there's a statement. Yeah, the antacid tablets contains 40% calcium carbonate. Another antacid tablet of mass 42 grams is allowed to react completely with HCl. Now calculate the volume of carbon dioxide that will be collected at STP. Remember STP, standard temperature and pressure. Assume that all the carbon dioxide produced is from the calcium carbonate. Therefore, in this case now, to make matters simple, you have to calculate 40% of the 2 grams, because they say out of the 2 grams, only 40%